Hi friends, it's Diana here today, and if you haven't heard, I'm here to tell you we are having a sale right now at this moment. Stop this video, get over to the Ellie and Mac website and get your patterns for $4 each. Every pattern, all patterns, all the amazing Ellie and Mac patterns. But really don't stop this video because today I'm going to tell you which are my favorite patterns. So if you don't have any of these patterns, you need to go get them because they're amazing. Now you can also get all the other patterns because I'm going to tell you it was really hard to narrow this down, and I didn't do a great job at narrowing, but I'm going to show you some of my favorite patterns and then maybe give you some inspiration. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start first with our section of tops. So I'm gonna go in order, that way it's not all over the place. And go grab yourself a notepad or just grab your phone and start notes. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of time so you can go grab something to write this down with so you know exactly which patterns you're gonna buy. All ready? Okay, we're ready. All right, we're ready. You can pause the video. Okay, well, pause the video if you need to. All right, let's do it. Okay, tops. All right, so we're gonna start with the Zara Square Neck top. This top is a woven top. Already, had me a woven, stop the video, go grab that pattern. It is amazing, it is beautiful. I've made, it literally just released just the other day. And I've already made so many different versions and hacked it. Yes, I know, I hacked it. That's what I do. You all know this. Amazing, so beautiful. I love the fit. The darts just kind of bring it in and make it look amazing. The square neck is just beautiful. It's got the poofy sleeve. It just fits so well and it is so easy to make. It's quick. You've got the either sleeve, you got different sleeves options, short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, long sleeve, and a sleeveless. What else do you want? This is an amazing pattern. You need it, you want it, go grab it. The next top I'm going to tell you about is the Imogen top. This one, another beauty, knocked out of the park. It's a mixture. It's a mix. What is the word? Mixed media. Would we call it mixed media because they're both fabrics? Not really, I guess. It's a mixed fabric type top. So what that means is the bodice, the top of the bodice is made in a knit fabric because you want the stretch. It is a stretch top with a neckband. There's two different kinds of neckbands on this one, which is a great. And then the bottom of the top and the bottom of the sleeve is made with a non-stretch woven fabric. So this is amazing because you can grab your beautiful, bright, bold, woven fabrics, because I know sometimes they come in such gorgeous prints, and then you can use maybe a solid bodice or mix and match the colors or however you want to. So that I love that pattern. Is so cute. Another one that you need to get. Next, we've got the Felicity Fitted top. This one is so cute. I love this one because you can do so much with it. It is a fitted top, and I don't do fitted tops a lot. I like oversized, big. I don't know why. I just want to be comfortable. But this is such a comfortable, cute top that you can wear with so many things. It's got a couple of different versions of the sleeves. It's got this beautiful bishop sleeve. I just love the fact that you can create this as a base top, right? So even as winter is coming, you can create this as a base top you can wear underneath a cardigan, underneath a jacket, underneath anything, underneath a romper. I think it's super cute. It's also a knit top. Next is the Sarah wide sleeve top. This is more of a loose top. It's got different kind of necklines. It's got a cowl neckline. It's got it's got a mock turtle neckline. I'm thinking of the name. It's got these beautiful wide sleeves here that can flare out, but you can also elasticate them at the end if you were like, I really don't want those sleeves in my way. We're gonna put them away for a little bit, so you can elasticate them. I love the fit of this top. The shoulder doesn't drop because what I'm gonna ask, the reason I'm saying that is because my next top, this is my last top, my next top, which is one of my top favorites, has a drop shoulder. So that's one of the difference. We'll get to that. But this one, the shoulders fit right at the shoulder. The sleeves fit right at the shoulder. And it fits really nicely, but it's also oversized. So it's like, it's loose, but it's not down, right? If that makes sense. It's not a drop shoulder. I love this one so much with light fabrics. I like the fact that you can create different lengths. I love the cropped version on this one with my high-waisted jeans. I wear them all the time. Super cute. I love it. My last top is probably one that I've made probably the most. I make this top all the time. You already know what it is. Say it with me. The oversized tee. The oversized tee is probably one of my favorites. I love it. It is a drop shoulder, kind of like this one right here. I love a drop shoulder. Well, no, not like this one. Well, maybe. No. It's bigger. It's oversized. It's comfortable. It's got all the different lengths. My goodness, if you were to look at the oversized tee, it's got so many options of different lengths. The boat neck, the crew neck. I personally love that boat neck style. I made sweaters in the boat neck style. It's just cute. It's just cute. That's all there's to it. You need it. If you don't have it, what are you waiting for? Pause the video, go grab it right now. All right, let's move on to dresses. I also have a long list of dresses. I love wearing dresses. They're so simple. You just throw on and head out the door. So can't go wrong with a dress. And here's my favorite dresses, even though there were so many. And there's more that I want to add to this list, but I'm trying to keep it short. So you go to the website and scroll through all the patterns and find the ones that you love and get them. $4, right? How could you not? The first one is the Leonie wrap dress. Now, this is a woven pattern. Once again, got me at woven. I love how this pattern looks, and it is a dress, but it can also be made as a top. So it's a two options, dress and top option. It's a complete wrap, so it's an actual true wrap. It's got gorgeous sleeves. It's amazing. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. You need it. Go get it. I love it. Next is the Marisa dress. And the Marisa is one that has got the strappy dress. It's a strap dress, perfect for spring and summer. But honestly, just throw a jacket on and you can wear it in winter because it is so cute. There's different lengths on it as well. I love the maxi style. It's so pretty, so elegant. It's got this flowy top here that's kind of wavy, like the fabric waves down here, and it's more fitted on the inside. It is a woven fabric, which is also amazing because you can use all those light wovens that are so beautiful. I just love them. So this one is a must-have. Next is the Felicia dress. This one, it is so cute. It's got different cup sizes. It's got different necklace. It's got a beautiful flutter sleeve. It's got, so the bodice and the skirt are separate. So the skirt is really nice and it kind of more fitted at the waist, and it flows out at the bottom, and it's got this option of a beautiful slit. It is so romantic. It is so beautiful. It is so, I don't know, there's just something about it that just makes me feel gorgeous when I wear it, and it's one of my favorites. This is for a knit fabric. Next, of course, is a Diana pattern. I obviously love this pattern. Obviously, it's named after me. How could I not love it? But I just love it so much. It's got different options. Could be made as a top, could be made as a dress. It's got different option of sleeves. I love the sleeve with the sheared hem. It is so pretty. It's got different necklines. It's got the tiered bodice, so you can have, like the single, double, triple tier. I love it so much. It is meant for knit fabrics. It is adorable. It is a lined bodice. You need it. Go get it. Yes. Okay. The last dress I'm going to share with you today is I love the 90s dress. Now, this dress is near and dear to my heart because I don't know if you've heard this story before. I've told it many times. The 90s dress was the dress that brought me to Ellie and Mac. It was the first dress that I saw that belonged to Ellie and Mac. I fell deeply, madly in love with it. And then I fell deeply, madly in love with Ellie and Mac. So that's the one that brought me over and won me. And I just love it. And I was just thinking when I was going through this and I was looking at all the patterns, when was the last time I made an I Love the 90s dress? It's probably maybe been a year. It's time. It's time. Yeah, no, that was horrible. But it is time. It is time for me to make it. And I'm sorry about that. That was embarrassing. Anyway, so go grab the 90s dress. All right, let's talk swim because I know this is a fall sale. It's about to be winter. Some of you, though, are in summertime, right? Some of you, let me know below. Comment below and let me know if you're in summertime or if you're going into winter. But when you get a pattern for sale for $4, you might as well grab it now, right? I mean, I literally just made one of these swimsuits the other day because, well, I am going on a cruise. So there's that. But also, how could you not, right? Okay, so here's my top favorite. First of all, I'm going to say the tropical swimsuit, the tropical twist swimsuit pattern. This is so gorgeous. I just love it so much. I love that little twist right there, the little sneaky little keyhole in the front and the back. I love the ruching on the sides that just brings you in and makes you just look amazing. And you know what? It looks so complicated. If somebody said, "Oh, that bathing suit is so cute," and you're like, "I made it," they'd be like, "You made that?" But you did. And it wasn't even that hard. It was so nice to make. You already know the instructions for Ellie and Mac. Awesome instructions. Obviously, there's always videos for all the patterns. You can do it. It is beautiful. You need to get it. Go grab it. The next one is the Candy Swim Dress. Another one that I am obsessed with. I love it so much. It is a great pattern for going out to the beach, going anywhere with your kids, going to a water park, and you don't want to be like, you don't want to hassle of putting on another skirt or putting on some shorts or anything like that when you're running around, and you want to have a cover. This comes with it already on there, which is great. I love that because it's just pieced together and I don't have to go grab two things. If I'm going to somewhere and I want a cover, I want something that's got the bathing suit and then the cover on it, I don't have to grab two things. I just grab this one bathing suit and I'm ready to go. I love it. It's so beautiful. You can color match, color block. You can, because the top and the skirt, but it's just so cute. So I love it. I hope you love it as well. And while we're talking about swim, you need to go grab the beach cover up. Now, this is so cute. It's just a simple beach cover up. You can make it with woven. It looks really nice in the front, and then it's got this long, deep cut in the back with a little strap so it stays on your shoulders. It is so cute. It's so easy to make, but it's great for a cover up. I love it so much. All right, now we're going to talk about outerwear. When we're talking about outerwear, I'm always thinking shacket, right? Because shackets are so amazing. They are so cool. You can wear them at any time, really, and they're not super hot, but they keep you warm depending on what fabric you use. I just love them. And we have the Connie casual shacket. It is a beautiful pattern. It is amazing. It's got different lengths. It's got the curved, it's got the straight. You need to try it if you haven't. Don't be scared. I walk you through every step. You can do it. You're going to love it. Go get it. Let's sew it up right now. I'm not joking. Go get it and come back and we'll sew it up. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not sewing up right now. I mean, you can find the video and sew it up with me. Let me just finish up my video right now and then you can go sew it up. Okay, we'll do that. All right, let's talk hoodies. And my two top favorite hoodies would have to be the Tuesday hoodie. The Tuesday is one that is color block. It just goes straight color blocks. I love it so much. I've made it so many times, switching the colors. It gives it a different vibe every time that you switch it. The second one is the Be Creative. This is so beautiful. I love the little arch here. I love the different kind of neckline situation. I think it's so cute. And the Tuesday hood is a little bit looser fit, like more oversized. And then the Be Creative is a little bit more fitted. So I love that you have the two different options, depending on how fitted you want it or what kind of color blockings. And there are some other color blocking. The So Scrappy color block, dream sensation. I don't know what that just came from, but beautiful as well. But that's not the one I was mentioning. I was mentioning the Be Creative. A beautiful, one of my favorites. I love it so much. You need it. And then when we're talking about cardigans, the Chapman cardigan, a beautiful pattern. I love how it fits. It's got different lengths. It's got the pockets in the front. It's just a straight fit cardigan. I just love it. And also the Celeste cardigan, another beautiful cardigan, comes in a little bit more. It's more slouchy, more oversized. It is so cozy. Another top pick with a big sleeve. Yes, you need them, both, all of them, everything I've mentioned. I hope you're writing this down. All right, let's talk bottoms. Okay, so Ellie and Mac has a few different bottoms, and I'm not even adding the urban leggings, which I should probably add them because leggings, you need leggings, and we've got a couple of really cool leggings. But I'm talking about my favorites, and the not so basic pants are probably one of my top favorite. I love the fact that they're kind of fitted at the waist, and then they're a little bit fitted at the hip, and then they flare out on the leg. such a good pattern. I've made it for so many different occasions with so many different fabrics. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I've made it for like dress pants with Liverpool, but I've also made it as PJ pants with waffle. Such a good pattern. So and there's different options too. There's an option for a flutter at the bottom too if you wanted that. So cute. You need them. The Feel Pretty pant, it's a woven pattern. It's a little bit looser. It's got a elastic waistband. They're straightforward. I love them. Super easy to sew. It's a great pattern to have. I'm gonna throw in the Jasmine skirt here too. It's a jogger skirt. It is for a knit pattern. It fits so well. It is beautiful. It's got different lengths. It's got little pleats in the front. It's got hoops if you want to put a belt on. It's got a drawstring if you want a drawstring. It's got pockets. It's got vents. It's beautiful. And then as a romper, my favorite will have to be the South Shore romper. I've made this pattern so many times and I've hacked it many times as well. It's fitted at the top with a crossover bodice, and the pants are more loose fitting, not oversized, but they're just more loose fitting pants. I love it so much. I think it looks so classy, and it's so beautiful. Such an easy sew, and something that you can wear like out for fun, which making the shorts version, or you can make the long pants version if you're going to somewhere fancy with some fancy fabric and just feel like you look like $1 million. I just love it. All right, those are my top favorite patterns, but I'm going to add one more pattern that is a must-have, and I don't know if you've heard about it. I don't know if you've ever sewn it up, but this has a big place in my wardrobe. Is the Feel Frisky panties. I've made so many of these and they are so comfortable. I'm telling you, I wear them all the time. If I'm looking through my drawer, those are the ones that I always gravitate towards, and it's so easy to sew, and you can use all your beautiful scraps that you have. So it's nice to make because it's a scrap buster, but then you have something that you literally use every day. I love them so much. I don't know if you've heard of them, but I think you should go grab them because they're on sale right now. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this little talk about the different patterns that I love. I hope it has given you some inspiration to go get these patterns and sew them up with me. I think they are all adorable. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, which ones are you getting, which ones do you not already have, or which ones you already have and have sewn a million times. Let me know. I want to know. Maybe there's one there that I missed that you're like, how could you miss this pattern? This is my favorite pattern. Comment below and let me know. Go grab your patterns. Remember, they're on sale through November 30th. So make sure you go grab them today. I hope you have a great rest of your day shopping, and I'll see you all next time.